So what you can also do is change your status by using the search bar inside of Microsoft Teams. So if I were to go around on the top right here in the search bar, what you can do is you can go around over here and press a backslash right here. So once you do that, over here you can see that there's available and away that you can set. So if I were to go to available, then your status is being set to available, as you can see right here. But if I were to go around and set status as away, then the status is set as away, as you can see right here. So all you need to do is press the backslash right here, and then you can use your busy or whatever status that you have right here, just like this, and that's it. And that is how you can go around and set your status to whatever you want easily without having to go around and click on the user settings right here. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.